Kitchen remodels are probably one of my favorite because the kitchens are the heart of the home. Let's face it, we all want to come home and smell the smell of our favorite food, cooking, and you think, the day is over, I can relax, have a glass of wine, beer, whatever it is, right? And then dig in with the family, and then the evening is done, right? So with that in mind is the place that people spend the most of the time together. And then they also enjoy some of the hobbies like cooking the perfect dish from scratch, right? And then that is where most of the secrets of the families are also told, right? So with good food, we kind of tend to open up and talk a little bit more. So we tell each other about our days, we make projects for the future, trips, kids, and the whole nine yards. So with that said, the kitchen is very important. It is important to function, but it also to inspire you. That means to look good. With the questionnaire that we have at the very beginning, we understand the client and the client likes. From that point, it's my job to push that. Back to the options. If a client wants to have, let's say, Subway towel, I'm going to just mention that because it's the most common item. There is many ways to get you to a Subway towel. The Subway towel can have indentations, the Subway towel can have imprint, the Subway towel can make a pattern within several Subway towels. So you see, we already have 3 options there. And we're just talking about simple Subway towel, right? Whatever options we decide makes a big impact of what the kitchen is gonna look and how inspired are you gonna be. I love to change the kitchen completely, like totally redirect the flow, something you have never thought about it, never thought is possible. Within obviously the cost and the price that you're comfortable with. But I believe that getting up in the morning, part of wanting to get up in the morning and face the day is, I'm gonna go downstairs, or I'm gonna go in my kitchen, and I'm going to turn the coffee machine, and I get to see my kitchen and really enjoy. Functionality is very important. Decluttering is super, super important. When designing a kitchen, we truly go piece by piece. So in my process to actually design the kitchen, I will have with the client about 7-8 sessions in which we go piece by piece of each piece of cabinet, the countertop, backsplash, sink, faucet, layout. So there's lots of time that we spend together. By the time this is done, I feel comfortable that I have done the best possible design for the client because I get to know them. We spend hours. With the options that they have, they don't feel overwhelmed because I do the pre-selection for them already. All they have to do is say, I love this. Maybe I don't like this one as much. Do something more for me there, right? Just give input of how that is taken and absorbed by them. I would say 99% of my customers says that the process is fun. And once they're done, they believe that we truly have looked at all possibilities, and they feel that this investment in their home, whatever it is, if it is just a refresh or even a full kitchen remodel, is exactly what they wanted.